Have you ever wondered what the future holds for artificial intelligence? Well, get ready because GPT-5 is about to change everything. Curious? Let's dive in. First off, what exactly is GPT-5? Imagine an AI that can chat with you like a human, understand your context, and even generate creative ideas. That's GPT-5 in a nutshell. But there's so much more to it. From GPT 3.5 to GPT-4, we've seen incredible improvements, faster processing, better understanding, and even handling images and audio. Now GPT-5 is taking it to the next level. So what can GPT-5 do? Let's break it down. First, increased multimodality is the buzzword with GPT-5. Looking back at the evolution from GPT 3.5 to GPT-4 and GPT-4o, each version has become smarter and more capable, improving in areas like price, speed, context length, and modality. GPT 3.5 could only handle text inputs and outputs. Then came GPT-4 Turbo, which allowed users to input text and images and get text outputs. GPT-4o took it even further, handling text, audio, image, and video inputs to produce any combination of text, audio, and image outputs. So what's next for GPT-5? The ability to output video seems to be on the horizon. OpenAI's text-to-video model Sora, unveiled in February, might just be the key to this new capability, potentially integrating video outputs into GPT-5. GPT-5 also brings extended multilingual support. Whether you need translations or content in various languages, GPT-5's got you covered. It's like having a global translator at your fingertips. But the most exciting part, GPT-5 brings us closer to AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. This means an AI that can learn, comprehend, and perform tasks at a human-like level. Imagine an AI that doesn't need constant supervision to understand and execute complex tasks. Okay, we all know chatbots are amazing AI tools. They can help you with tons of tasks like generating code, creating Excel formulas, writing essays, crafting resumes, building apps, making charts, and so much more. But wouldn't it be even cooler if AI knew exactly what you wanted and could do it with barely any instructions? That's the dream of AGI. For all the developers out there, GPT-5 offers advanced coding capabilities. It can help you write, debug, and optimize code more efficiently. It's like having a super smart coding assistant that's always ready to help. And let's talk about expanding the context window. GPT-5 can handle larger chunks of information, making it perfect for analyzing long documents or complex datasets. This means more accurate and relevant responses every time. Speed is another big win for GPT-5. Increased inference speed means faster responses, making your interactions smoother and more efficient. No more waiting around for the AI to catch up. So what does this all mean for you? With GPT-5, we're looking at more reliable and versatile AI applications, from personal assistants to advanced business solutions. It's all about making AI more practical and accessible for everyone. And yes, OpenAI has confirmed that the training for its latest frontier model has recently begun. This has been a hot topic for a while now as they continue their journey toward developing artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Reports suggest that this next large language model from OpenAI is expected to be GPT-5 and is said to be materially better than GPT-4. It's anticipated to debut in the coming months. Excited about the future of AI? I know I am. Stay tuned for more updates and let's explore the endless possibilities of GPT-5 together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights being with TechZnap. Thanks for watching.